fire, born from vision. Deep rolling bass, layered tribal kicks. I don't design rooms, I design rituals. Every space I touch turns mythical. White tiger throne under amber skies, lava in the marble, see it in my eyes. Empire, empire, built in the fire. Cathedrals breathe when I arrive. Furniture made alive, not decor, it's energy, sacred geometry. This is not design. This is rhythm. This is not furniture. This is kingdom.
Oh